I spent nearly 3/4 of my life married to a pastor. I've attended many weddings. Some are really unique and some traditional, but most had a couple of key ingredients. Blessings are given and promises are made. Who gives the blessing may vary. Imam, rabbi, priest, or, like my husband, a pastor. And they're offering a blessing on behalf of God. Or maybe the guests recite together hope for a blessed future. Now, however it's done, we want some way of saying, we hope the best for you. I've not only witnessed many ceremonies, but I've witnessed the marriages that followed, and some are clearly blessed. As if in a fairy tale, some appear to be living happily ever after. I wish they could all be like that, but the truth is, none of us knows what the future holds for a couple. No matter how elaborate or simple the ceremony, we're in the dark as far as what's to come. That's certainly true of my own marriage. Jack and I were in love, for sure, but we were also naive. We had no idea that 5 years from our wedding day, he would be checking me into a psychiatric hospital for a while. Or that 50 years from our wedding, we still struggle with how to spend our money or what vacation to take. Those things can still be touchy subjects. It's not been a fairy tale. As much as we wanted to avoid doing so, we have had to face some things that were dark and just suffer through them. But I have no doubt our marriage has been blessed. It's been blessed because of those promises. The promises we made were pretty standard. They were about having and holding for better, for worse, richer, poorer, sickness and in health, joy and in sorrow. I didn't think about it at the time, but these promises were an admission of how little we knew about the future. We may be better or worse, richer or poorer, sick or healthy. We don't know. We're in the dark. I wouldn't have chosen the darkness, but I wouldn't trade away what I witnessed there. It was there that the beauty of those promises became most vivid. The beauty of having and holding, loving and cherishing. Times of darkness, those promises taught me to forgive and accept forgiveness, to support these supported, to encourage and encouraged. I experienced something beautiful. I learned what it meant to be blessed. It's been 50 years since my wedding day, and I understand a lot of things better than I did in the beginning. But the truth is, when things get tough, I still find it hard to see anything other than the darkness. The beauty that can emerge catches me off guard. Your marriage will have darkness to face. I hope you remember that even then, beautiful things are possible. That's what the Promise Kit is for, to be a reminder. You, your friends, your family, you're going to create something to help you remember. You're going to color these dark circles, dark like that unknown future. And when you're done, you're invited to display your circles around a photo of the two of you.